One of the questions a lot of people ask me is, how can I create a crypto account? So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a crypto account and also how to deposit money in that account so that you can use it to start trading. Let's get started. Right, so the platform we are going to use is AscendEX. Is one of the fastest growing crypto exchanges. If you don't have an account with them, I left my link in the description. Make sure to use that link to create an account. Now let me show you how to create an account. Alright, so when you click on my link, it will bring you to this page. Alright, so the first thing is to put in your email. So I'll type in my email and then put in your password. So put in any password of your choice. Alright, so when you type your password, then you agree to terms and conditions and click on continue. So you move this and place it here. And that's done. So you need to go right now to get the verification code. So I'll just go and get it right away. So I'll click on register and you can see register successfully. Alright, so right now we've created an account. You can see how easy it is to create an account. The next thing to do is to go to Play Store or App Store and then install AscendEX. Let me show you how to do that. So when you come to Play Store, if you're for those using Android, I'm just come here and search for AscendEX. And then you see it right here. So you can see I've already installed mine, but I can just click on update so I can update to the new version of it. So if it's your first time, just come here and click on install and then it's going to install right away, just like mine is doing right now. Alright, so after you're done installing it, then you go ahead to open it. You can see the home page of it. So come here and click on login and then fill in your details you use in creating your account. So you need to put in your verification code. So go to your email and get the verification code. Then you come here and paste it, then click on submit. And you can see that we've successfully logged in our account. The next thing to do is to verify your account. So click on this image icon at the top right of your screen and then click on account verification. So right here you come here and verify your account. Just click on verify and click on OK. So here you're going to fill in your country, last name, first name, date of birth, ID type and your ID number. Once you do that, you click on next step and you're going to snap that ID card and also take a picture of yourself, and after that you're done verifying your account. Alright, so we have created our account. The next step is to deposit money in that account. So let me show you how to do that right away. Alright, so to deposit money in your account, all you just have to do is click on deposit. So you can see that there are a list of coins here you can actually deposit. But let me deposit USDT, which is quite like the most popular one. I can see it at the top here, or you can search for it. You just type USDT and to show up. So you click on it. Now you're going to select the chain you're going to send this money from. So is it from ERC20, from Arbitrum, from BP20, or from TRC20? Personally, I prefer BP20 because of lower transaction fee. So I'll copy. This is my USDT deposit address. So I'll copy it. You can go to another exchange or to Trust Wallet or MetaMask and then send USDT from there straight to your wallet. You're going to receive it instantly. Alright, so I'll use Trust Wallet to deposit my own. So I'll go to Trust Wallet and I'll click on USDT and I'll click on send. I'll paste the wallet address I just copied and I want to send all of the amount I have, which is around $38.194, and then I'll click on continue. So I'll click on confirm and put in my passcode, and the money have been sent to my wallet address. I'll go back to my AscendEX app to confirm if I received the money. Alright, so you can see that my money has been deposited in my account. You can currently see $38.19 has been deposited, and you can see how fast it was. It took less than 1 minute to be deposited. Right, so since we've deposited the money in our account, we can start using it to trade. So we can use it to buy coins or trade the futures market or even to copy other traders. Don't forget that we are having a 30 days trading challenge where we share signals for people. So we will tell you to either buy this coin or sell this coin and all of that, and we'll actually make money together. If you want to join us in that trading challenge, make sure to use our link in the description to create an account and then fund at least $20. After doing that, there's a second link in the description. Make sure to click on it and fill out the form. In that form, you're going to put in your name, your UID, and your Telegram username. We are going to use that to add you to the Signal group. Finally, we have a free Telegram group where we teach people how to trade crypto. You can also join that group. The link is also in the description. Guys, we've come to the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel. It is really important. Also, I made a video about futures trading. If you want to watch that video, click here to watch that.